Hey there! How's the weather looking outside today?
Hey, it's actually looking quite nice. The sun is shining, and there's just a few fluffy clouds in the sky. The temperature is around 75 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's pleasantly warm.
That sounds perfect. I was thinking of going for a hike this afternoon. Do you think the weather will hold up?
It should be great for a hike. The forecast predicts clear skies for the rest of the day, and the temperature might rise a bit to around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Just make sure to bring some water and sunscreen.
Awesome, thanks for the heads up. I'll definitely pack those. What about tomorrow? I'm planning a picnic with some friends.
Tomorrow looks like it might be a bit different. The forecast is calling for partly cloudy skies in the morning with a chance of some scattered showers in the afternoon. The temperature should still be comfortable, around 78 degrees Fahrenheit. You might want to have a backup plan or some umbrellas just in case.
I hope the rain holds off during our picnic. But having umbrellas is a good idea. And what about the day after tomorrow?
Looking ahead, the day after tomorrow is shaping up to be quite pleasant. The clouds should clear up, and we can expect mostly sunny skies. The temperature will likely stay around 77 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's still lovely.
That's reassuring to hear. I have a soccer match planned for the day after tomorrow. It'll be great if the weather cooperates.
It sounds like a plan. With the current forecast, your soccer match should be under ideal conditions. Just keep an eye on any updates in case things change unexpectedly.
Absolutely, flexibility is key when it comes to weather. Thanks for the weather rundown and helping me plan everything.
No problem at all. Enjoy your hike, picnic, and soccer match. If you ever need more weather updates or advice, just give me a shout. Have a fantastic day.